Steps to the small plateau. To the west, the sun disappears behind the ridge. In front of me, the final slopes of Mount Everest and an aura of majesty. The Sherpas put up the tent, and after a small supper, I fall asleep. It is freezing up here, but that is not the reason why I feel that something is wrong. Suddenly the tent drips open and flies away. I'm exposed to the snowy, swirling air. What sound of power is this? I hear whispers. They are not from my trek companions. I realize that I have all disappeared. Seems I'm completely lost in this maelstrom. What are you doing up here? Another fit of megalomania. Do you have no respect of Mother Nature? I bolt upright. Were those voices real? Or just my imagination? Never forget that the mountains have always been and always will be far greater than all humans together. The mountain spirit is able to crush you at any time he likes. With those words, an image of a great blizzard enters my mind. It destroys a large group of mountaineers just trying to send a path up. Never forget to ask the spirit for permission before you start a hike. He might get angry and punish you like he did with so many overconfident hikers before. But I did ask for his permission. Did you not listen to the answer the spirit gave you? And what about your idea of collecting something on your way back down? The sudden wind catches me and throws me up into the freezing air. I fly over the peak and begin to fall down helplessly. Help me! I don't want to die so early! There's so much to do yet! And I didn't want to insult or anger the mountain spirit. But it is too late. I hit the ground and wake up. I lie in the bed. The sun rises above the peak to the southeast. I realize that I'm in a mountain hostel in Italy. Shuddering, I get up, take a quick shower, and head for the breakfast room. On my way there, I turn towards the front door of the hostel and sit down outside to ask the spirits of today's mountain whether I'm welcome if I don't collect any crystals on the way back down. So you seem to give a dream credit. Yes, if you respect the area and the places of the things here, I will see you safely back to your place, human. I go back into the hostel and prepare myself for the day. I will definitely touch not a single crystal today. Thank you very much.